In Zivid, we often talk about trueness. Meeting customers, that's a topic that very often come up. I'll try to do a quick explanation on how I like to think about trueness. Imagine yourself an artist. She's a sculptor. Today, she's sculpting a rubber duck. Her ambition is to capture all the fine details, the expressions on the face, the cup, the small details on the bow tie, everything's like that's her goal today. She realized she captured almost everything except for one detail. The cup is somewhat bigger on her sculpture than in the original scene. She missed out on dimensional trueness. She fixes that. She's now very happy with the result. She now decides to add a bit more of dynamics in her scene, and she introduces the big brother of the duck, the British cousin, I think it is. This is more of a, I guess, French, yeah, whatever. And she's starting to make these two, and she's really working out all the details. No mistakes on the dimensional trueness, but the two ducks are actually a bit further apart in her scene than they originally were. There was this, that distance breaks the dynamics a bit. So she missed out on positional trueness. She fixes that. The positions are intact. They are in the right space to each other. And part of this scene is really about creating a dynamic between the two ducks. When she's looking at her sculpture, they're not looking eye to eye, just looking past each other. So she had made a mistake on the rotational trueness. She fixes that, and the sculpture is really, really where she wanted it to be. Those are the three fundamentals in trueness. Think of the Zivid camera as a digital artist. We are able to really, correctly capture a representation of the reality. We have an extremely high degree of trueness, which means that we have low degree of dimensional trueness, low degree of positional trueness, and low degree of orientational trueness errors. The question of precision, which typically often come, this is all about being able to correctly represent the surfaces without noise. So think about this polished area here. When you can have precision and trueness, then you have accuracy. And that's what you need to have well-functioning and reliable robotic systems.